So 38.
Yes. Which one? Tracy. I think the other one. Oh no, she had 93.
It's almost time, baby.
Like this, amped up. Yeah, whatever. Sure, I'll do that.